Hi everyone! Today I will show you a great idea for Christmas little gift. This is a fridge magnet with watercolor paper. There is cardboard between the magnet and the paper. These magnets can be bought at art stores. Let's start with the sunset sky. Cadmium orange and drop of Carmine, or you can take an opera rose. Leave some space for clouds. Soften the edge. Circle the moon with this mixture. Make in clouds royal blue, carmine and ultramarine. Soften the edge with a wet brush. We take the royal blue and plant Christmas trees. Don't forget to soften the dried edges. Soften the bottom edge of the Christmas trees with a brush. With a dry napkin we blot a place in the snow where the moon shines. Also royal blue for snow. We make the bottom darker by adding ultramarine to the mixture. Draw the sky between the trees. We darken the tone of the sky. Here you can add burnt sienna or just make our mixture thicker. Soften the outline of the sun a bit. We continue to paint the space between the trees with our mixtures. Soften the edge. We darken the bottom of the trees with the same color, but a bit denser. The bottom of the sky make darker, so that the snow is highlighted. Soften the edges. Make the clouds more contrast. Make a dark mixture for Christmas trees. green, ultramarine, and carbon black. Apply with the tip of our brush, leaving light areas. It's snow on the trees. Using a thin shlepper with any brown paint, draw the branches of the tree. I take a white gouache and apply in some places. The branches of the Christmas tree illuminated by the moon, as well as snow on the tree. And our Christmas handmade gift is ready. Try it too. I'm sure you will succeed. All the best. Bye!